So friends, let's see today's delicious coconut mango chutney. So these are the ingredients. Let's go through the ingredients. So here I have a cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 cup of coriander leaves washed well, half a cup of grated raw mango or kairi, 5 green chilies, half an inch of ginger and about 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now this is the coconut water because I just used fresh coconut, but that's optional. If you have that coconut water, you can use it, and some salt to taste. And these are my lovely flowers. I just wanted to share them with you. I love flowers in my kitchen, and I just got this and it was so beautiful. So just a small little diversion. Anyway, so now I'm just going to add the coconut to my mixer jar, the freshly grated raw mango, the chilies, ginger, garlic, the fresh coriander, some sugar. This is the coconut water, and some salt to taste. And we're going to add about a quarter cup of water and just grind all of this to a paste. Now you can add more water or less water depending on how you like your chutney, and your lovely coconut and raw mango chutney is all ready. So I had made these lovely oats idlis. I'll leave a link to the recipe. They taste really delicious, and I serve them with this chutney. So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you give it a try. This goes well with anything, like even dosas, uttapas, anything. So give this recipe a try and let me know how you liked it. And I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.